Have you ever gazed into the night sky and wondered what stars are? What are those twinkling lights that have captured the human imagination for millennia? Stars, in their simplest form, are gigantic balls of gas and plasma held together by gravity, glowing with intense light and heat. They are the building blocks of galaxies, the architects of the cosmos, and the forge of elements. Now you might be thinking, gas and plasma? That doesn't sound very solid. And you'd be right. Stars are not solid objects like the Earth. They are enormous swirling masses of mostly hydrogen and helium, the two lightest elements in the universe. So, how does a star actually shine? The answer lies in a process called nuclear fusion. In the heart of a star, immense pressure and heat squeeze hydrogen atoms together until they fuse into helium. This process releases an incredible amount of energy in the form of light and heat, which is what makes a star glow. But what about the different colors of stars? Why are some stars red, some blue, and others white? Well, the color of a star is determined by its temperature. Red stars are cooler, while blue stars are hotter. Our own sun, a yellow star, is somewhere in the middle. Stars aren't eternal, though. They have a life cycle, much like living organisms. They're born in nebulae, vast clouds of dust and gas in space. Over millions of years, gravity pulls this dust and gas together to form a new star. This stage is known as the star's main sequence. Eventually, stars run out of hydrogen to fuse into helium. When this happens, a star enters the next stage of its life, the red giant phase. It expands, cools down, and turns red. Finally, depending on its size, it may collapse under its own gravity and explode in a supernova, or shrink into a white dwarf and slowly cool and fade away. So, to recap, stars are enormous balls of gas and plasma that shine because of nuclear fusion. They are mostly made of hydrogen and helium, and their color indicates their temperature. Stars have a life cycle, being born in nebulae and eventually dying as red giants, supernovae, or white dwarfs. Stars, then, are not just beautiful to look at. They are also fascinating to learn about, full of mystery and wonder. They have been the subject of countless myths and stories, and they continue to inspire us to look up and dream of what lies beyond our own world. And remember, every atom in your body, from the calcium in your bones to the iron in your blood, was forged in the heart of a star. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you are a child of the stars, a part of this incredible, vast, and beautiful universe.